we'll guide you through how to turn off autocomplete in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you're in, head over to the menu bar at the top and click on File. Then choose Preferences and select Settings. This will open the Settings tab where you can customize your VS Code experience. In the Settings search bar at the top, type editor.suggest on trigger characters. This setting controls whether suggestions automatically appear when you type specific characters. You should see a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck this box to disable the autocomplete feature. Another setting you might want to change is editor.quicksuggestions. Search for this in the same search bar. Here, you will see options for other, comments, and strings. You can toggle these off if you don't want suggestions popping up while typing in those specific contexts. Remember, these changes will only apply to the current workspace, unless you modify your global settings file. If you want to adjust the global settings, you can click on the icon that looks like a piece of paper with a pencil next to the User tab. This will open a JSON file, where you can directly edit your settings with more control. Just be careful when doing this, as incorrect changes can cause issues. If you ever want to re-enable autocomplete, you can simply reverse these steps and check the boxes again. That's all you need to do to turn off autocomplete in VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.